Today I will tell you about data cleansing. Data cleansing is also referred to as data cleaning or data scrubbing. It is the process of fixing incorrect, incomplete, duplicate data in a data set. It involves identifying data errors and then changing, updating, or removing data to correct them. Data cleansing improves data quality and helps provide more accurate, consistent, and reliable information for decision making in an organization. So, I will guide you how to do it practically, data cleaning. So, in order to do that, we will open Excel sheet. So, similarly, if you want to remove extra spaces from this column named as customer name, so what you need is to do is that click on that G, click on home icon, go to insert tab, and then after going insert tab, click on insert sheet columns. Another column is opened in front of customer name column. What you need is to type trim over here, because after typing trim it will automatically remove the extra spacing between the words. So let's see. Type equals to trim, bracket open, select the column and then scroll it down. Now come back to the same column, next column G, and plus sign will appear. Now scroll it down again. In this way, automatically the inconsistencies in terms of extra spacing is removed. So this is the strategy of removing data inconsistencies, and this is said to be the data cleaning. Thank you.